Sorry, I've never done that before.
Hey, you, I don't want your girlfriend, just listen to... That sucked. Hi, I'm here to thank you for 300 subs. That silly little tutorial I made in like 20 minutes got so damn big. I'll put a picture here because it keeps exploding. I'm happy about it, don't get me wrong. I'm so happy that I got over 300 just because of that silly little video. I'm not gonna make this too long, but I just want to say thank you for 300, and I am opening commission soon on Ko-Fi. I will talk more about it when I sign up. Whoa, what was that? Okay, bye-bye.